good morning. Today we are going to talk about next topic for class 4, 5th and 6th. This topic name is comparison of numbers. Okay, students, in your previous classes, you read about the comparison. Comparison, what is the comparison? It is related to compare. What means compare? In the previous classes, you compared some numbers like that 32, 52, which is greater and which is smaller. You saying that this is greater and this is smaller. Okay, and some are equals, but in your classes the comparison is more greater than numbers and large place numbers. Okay, so look at here, students. If the number is given here, two numbers are given there. So first, how can you compare? Okay. So first to think about the comparison. First to see how many places here. मतलब इसके पास में कितने place है? क्या दोनों के पास equal place है? You can see ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. It means 8 lakh, and here is also ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. It is the same place. Okay, you can see here is 7 lakh and here is 8 lakh. If the places are same, you can see the 7 lakh and 8 lakh, which is greater. Obviously you can say 8 lakh is greater. Okay, but some cases the place and some digits are same. Okay, the place and some digits are same. Then after, how can you compare? Then after, how can you compare? You can see here is also 7,56,756, and here is 7 lakh also 7,56,086. You can compare one by one digit. Here is the first we compare the two places. Here is 7 lakh and here is also 7 lakh. It is the equal, but 7 lakh, it means first to compare lakh place, it is equal 10,000 place, it is also equal. Lakh place, 1000 place, it is also equal, but here is the 100 place and here is 100 place is 0, and comparison 0, 7 and 0 is equal to which is greater? 7 greater, so which is the greater number? It is the greater number. Okay, students, like that you can compare the numbers. Okay, students, here is the next topic, ascending and descending order. Ascending order and descending order. Students, what is the first we are going to talk about what is the meaning of ascending order and descending order. Okay, it meaning of ascending order it is arohi kram, and this is the descending order. Descending order means avrohi kram. Okay, it means you start to smaller from greater. Okay, first you write here smaller, then after greater, then after greater, and then after greater. सबसे पहले आप सबसे छोटे को लिखते हैं, सबसे स्मॉलर को लिखते हैं, उससे जो ग्रेटर होगा, फिर उससे जो ग्रेटर होगा, फिर उससे जो ग्रेटर होगा, आप उसको राइट करते जाओ. लाइक दैट. हियर इज एग्जांपल 756 842 732 425 801. Okay, you can see 756, 842, 732 and 425, 801. You can see here is the also first to find the which order? Ascending order. Okay, in the group you can find the first smaller number. Which is the smaller? You can say here 7, 8, 700, 800, 700, and here is the 400. It is the smaller. You start from the smaller to 425 the smaller. Then after इससे हम ग्रेटर को लिखेंगे. इससे लिखेंगे इससे ग्रेटर, इससे जो बड़ा है, इससे जो ग्रेटर है, कौन सा नंबर है? You can see here is 842, 756, 732. It means 732 is the next place, and sign of this. Okay, and again 756, and again 801, and then after 842. Okay, it is the way of ascending order. And you can solve very easily the more places numbers like that 7 lakh, 8 lakh, okay, 10 lakh, crore, very easily. First to compare which is smaller, which is greater, and to place according to system, according to order. It means first smaller, then after greater, then after greater, and then after greater and greater and greatest. It means पहले आप सबसे स्मॉलर रखेंगे, फिर उससे ग्रेटर जो है, फिर उससे जो ग्रेटर है, फिर उससे जो ग्रेटर है, फिर वो उससे ग्रेटर है. It means the process of ascending order. A same opposite of descending order. Same opposite of descending order. Ascending order का same opposite क्या है? Descending order. It means अवरोही क्रम. Okay? It is start from greater. Start from greater. Sorry. It is start from greater. ये greater से start होता है. It means हम greater से यानी कि घटते हुए क्रम में जाते हैं. ओके, तो सबसे पहले कहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे? हम ग्रेटर से स्टार्ट करेंगे. इट मींस मैं इसी नंबर को आप डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर करो, यू कैन सी फर्स्ट व्हिच इज ग्रेटर. इस सारे ग्रुप में कौन सा नंबर ग्रेटर है? यू कैन से 842 सॉरी 842 एंड देन आफ्टर व्हिच इज 801, देन आफ्टर 756, देन आफ्टर 732 and then after smaller 425. It is the way of ascending order and descending order. You can solve very easily. Okay, students. Next topic is formation of numbers. Formation of numbers using the digits. Using the digits. It means आपको कुछ digits given होंगे, उसका यूज करके आपको ग्रेटेस्ट एंड स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर बनाने होंगे. क्या बनाने होंगे? ग्रेटेस्ट एंड स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर. लाइक मैंने छोटा सा एग्जांपल कहा आपसे. यू कैन सी हियर मैंने कुछ डिजिट दिया 7 0 3 2. You can see how many digits? You can say 1 2 3 4 digits. What are you saying? 4 digits. It means मैंने कहा आपको इस डिजिट्स का यूज करके आपको 4 डिजिट का ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर बनाना है और 4 डिजिट का स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर बनाना है. हाउ कैन यू मेक दिस? यू कैन से सर इट मींस ग्रेटेस्ट मीन इसी डिजिट का तो यूज करना है. इस सारे डिजिट में सबसे पहले अगर ग्रेटेस्ट बना रहे हैं तो सबसे पहले क्या देखेंगे? कौन सा डिजिट सबसे बड़ा है? यू कैन से 7 0 3 2 में से कौन सा डिजिट सबसे बड़ा है? तो आपका आंसर 7. ये द फर्स्ट नंबर इज फर्स्ट डिजिट इज 7. देन आफ्टर इससे जो छोटा है 3, देन आफ्टर जो उससे छोटा है 2, देन आफ्टर 0. यू कैन से 7320. इट इज ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर ऑफ द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ दिस डिजिट. ओके, एंड मेक द स्मॉलेस्ट. यू कैन से स्मॉलेस्ट का यू कैन से स्मॉलर नंबर. यू कैन से 0 इज स्मॉलर. 0 is smaller to 2. From start 0 now? No student. It means here the some example you can see. Here is 1. Okay? After 1 we put 0. It is just 10. But before 0, before 1, 0 is no value. Okay? आप देखेंगे अगर हम कोई हमारे पास 1 है, अगर 1 के हम बाद 0 को रखते हैं तो ये 10 बन जाता है. लेकिन अगर 1 के पहले हम 0 पर रखें तो ये 1 ही रहेगा, 10 नहीं बन सकता है. ओके, जब 10 नहीं बन सकता है तो फिर इसका कोई फॉर्मेशन का यूज नहीं है. इसीलिए किसी भी डिजिट्स का हम फॉर्मेशन कर रहे हैं तो कभी भी 0 को हम फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी नहीं देंगे. 0 के बाद जो उससे बड़ा है उससे हम स्टार्ट करेंगे. यानी कि हम कहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे स्टूडेंट? 2 से. ठीक है, 2 के जस्ट आफ्टर आप क्या लिखोगे? 0 लिखोगे. 2 0 देन आफ्टर 3 7. The formation of smallest. Same another example is here. 8 1 3 2 8 5 4 and 0. How many digits? You can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. How many digits? 7 digits. Make 7 digits greatest than smallest number. You can see here students. Greatest number. How can you make? You can see. First, which digit is greater? 8. Start from 8, then after 5, then after 4, then after 3, then after 2, then after 1, then after 0. Okay? And when you make the smallest, start from 1. Start from 1, not from 0. start from 1. It means 1, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Okay? You can make very easily. Okay students? I hope you are understood this topic, and students, from your books you can solve exercises. In next video I will tell you what exercise you will do. Okay? Thank you students. Have a nice day.